Hi Maker, I'm Angel with FleeceFun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these giant fall Scrabble tiles. They're really fun and easy to make. They're nice, simple, clean decor. I've got some back here as well. And they're super fast. You can make some for your friends too while you're at it. For this project, you will need the following. For this project, you will need a Cricut machine. This will work with a Joy, Explore, or Maker, 3-inch wood tiles, orange permanent vinyl, transfer tape, white spray paint, domino holder, and Fleece Fun's free SVG files that are available on FleeceFun.com by filling out the form. Now, that free file is available for download at FleeceFun.com. Just fill out the form and I will send it right to your inbox. Link in the description box below. Let's get started. Fall Tier Tray Décor instructions. Step 1, prep and paint the elements. Paint the tiles the color you desire. I used a white spray paint that has a nice chalky finish. Allow the tiles to dry. At this point, you can also paint the stand, but I like the natural wood colors, so I left it that way. All right, looks good. Let's cut out that vinyl. Step 2, cut out the elements for the fall decor. Load the free file into Design Space. Using a fine point blade, cut out the fall letters from the vinyl. Weed the vinyl. Add the transfer tape. Make sure the vinyl is ready for transfer and go over all the letters. Step 3, bring it all together for the Fall Tier Tray Décor. Cut the letters apart so they are ready for transfer. Center the letters on each of the tiles. Now make sure that those tiles are completely dry before you add on the vinyl or it won't adhere well and it won't stay. Transfer the letters to each tile, making sure that the vinyl is properly adhered to the wood Scrabble tile. Place the letters on your stand and your Fall Tier Tray Décor is ready to go. You can glue down the letters to the stand to make it a little more stable if you choose. And that's it. That's all you need to make this really cute and fun fall decor. But if you liked this tutorial, I actually have a lot more available on FleeceFun.com that I think you'll enjoy. A lot of my projects and tutorials are free. You just fill out the form and download all that good stuff. A lot of fall inspired stuff. Everything like you see behind me is available there. Oh, and hey, while you're here, give me a thumbs up for my hard work. Oh, and let me know in the comments below, did you play Scrabble as a child? Or as an adult, you still play Scrabble? I'm not very good at Scrabble.